Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern on your shawls or cardigans. Actually, the spring or summer cardigans will be beautiful with that pattern. Or maybe you can make vests. Which you want, you can make this pattern. Only 4 rows repeating. It's so simple. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your watching. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful shawl or cardigan or vest pattern. Let's start to crochet. I use this pattern. Here you can see that. Size maybe 2 cotton yarn and use 3mm hook. But now I want to show you this more thicker cotton yarn. I want to show you it easily, and I use 3.5mm hook here. For this pattern you need multiples of 4 plus 2. You will make your chains multiples of 4. This is the you need to careful that. Okay, first of all make a slip knot, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. It's enough for me showing this pattern to you. Then add here plus 3, 2 and 3. So I have here 27 chains, multiples of 4 plus 3. Okay, you need that. I have multiples of 4 plus 3 chains. Then skip very first, start from the second one and make single crochet in every each stitch. So at the end I will have 26 single crochet. So at the end you have multiples of 4 plus 2 stitches you need to have. Okay. I will complete my single crochets and turn to you. I made my single crochets. I have multiples of 4 plus 2 stitches. Now 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 chains and turn my work. Then yarn over 3 times. Skip this, count as my first stitch, skip the next one, insert into the second. So I skip 1 stitch, insert into the second, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. 4 times. Okay. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3 times yarn over. Skip 1, insert into the next one, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 1, yarn over 3 times, skip 1, insert into the next one, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the second row. Yarn over 3 times and make your stitch. Lose your hook in 4 times, pull through 2, chain 1 and skip 1 stitch here. Chain 1, I come to the end, skip 1, insert into the last one and make my stitch 2 2 2 2. Okay, now we are on the third round. Chain 1 and turn your work, knot count and insert into the stitch and make 1 single crochet. Then all the chain 1 space you will make 2 single crochet here. Next again 2 single crochet. Next again 2, 2, 2, next one 2, next one 2, next one 2. All the spaces you will make 2 single crochets. Okay. Here, only this round important point, you start with single crochet this border, and don't forget last stitch. In the stitch make your last single crochet. It's equal to your starting number of stitches. This is the last repeating row. I will show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains and turn your work. Then yarn over 3 times. Count as your first stitch, and this is your border. Okay. Start from the second one. Grab your yarn. Pull through 1, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next. Grab your yarn. Pull through 1, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the next stitch. Grab your yarn. Pull through 1, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the next stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2. You have 2, 4, 6 and 7 loops on your hook. Pull through 4 loops. You have 4 loops here. Then pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay. Now yarn over. Here we have a loop. Insert here, grab your yarn and make triple. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert that loop again, grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice. Then come to first stitch as front post here. Grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. We make this twisted stitch here. 1, 2, 3 times yarn over. Insert the next stitch. 4 stitch we will make. Grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2. Yarn over the second stitch, pull through 1, pull through 2. Yarn over in the third stitch, pull through 1, pull through 2. Yarn over in the fourth stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 1, pull through 2. You have 2, 4, 6 and 7 stitches on your loop. Pull through 4. Okay, close that 4 stitches. Then pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over. Here we have a loop. Grab my yarn, make a triple. Yarn over, insert that loop again, grab my yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2 here. Yarn over twice time and we will make our twisted loop. This bottom stitch, insert the first one as front post, grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's it. You make your twisted stitches. I will show you one more time. First of all, you will yarn over 3 times. Then start from the, look at that next stitch. Grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the second stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the third stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the fourth stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2. Pull through 4 loops. You have 4 loops on your hook, then pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now we will make 2 triples in that loop, middle loop here. Insert, yarn over only one time. Grab your yarn, 1, 2, 2. Yarn over, make one more, 1, 2, 2. Okay. Then yarn over twice and come to bottom here. The first loop, as front post, I insert my hook, grab my yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch. You can see that I come to the end, yarn over twice again, make my twisted stitch from the bottom's first stitch, 1, 2, 2, and 2. Now don't forget, we start here, this border, 1, 2, and 3 times yarn over, insert the last stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. That's it. Now we will make our single crochet round. Again, chain 1 and turn, and make single crochet in each stitch here. Then you will make chain 6 and turn, start from the second rows, repeating, then chain 1 and turn. Don't forget the border and the finishing stitch, your single, between of them 2 single crochet. After that, these twisted stitch round, and this is only 4 rows repeating. If you make more thinner yarn, you can take this looking. If you make more thicker yarn, you can get this looking. I like this pattern so much, and it's only 4 rows repeating. I think it's beautiful. I hope you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.